palace main gate entry. Visitors are allowed to enter from this gate. Guys, here you have to keep your footwear and damn enter inside. You are not allowed to wear your footwear while entering the palace. Here. Guys, total boundary is 72 acres. Palace was built in 4 acres. Even now, the royal family stay at rear side of the palace. That is residential palace. We'll be seeing the ceremonial part what I have seen. Above the dome, there is a metallic flag. The flag is 2.7 kg gold. There you can see notice small punch of 5 kalasha. Around the palace there are 5 gates. These are the ivory gift items gifted to the Maharajas by the British.
This is real head of the elephant. These are all the collections during ancient times.
These are the chariots, old style.
This is Gothic style architecture. This is a palki which is made in gold and is used during the procession. It's all in gold. These are the wooden carved doors. See, the architecture is all in Gothic style. You can see. These are holy brass jaguars from Scotland. They are hollow from inside. These are all the Dasara procession pictures you can see painted. These all are the special paintings having 3D and 2D effect in it. As you move with the pictures, you can see the animals and chariot wheels moving towards your side. Door is made up of teak wood and is strong.
You can notice the pillars and arcs. There are cast iron pillars. The cast iron pillars are from Ireland and the chandeliers are from Czechoslovakia.
Front you can see is the old palace model which was burned afterwards. This elephant entrance gate imported from England. On it is embossed Satyam Mevam Duramyaham. This is Sanskrit's face. Its meaning is I uphold its truth.
This painting is of the band used during the procession.
पूर्वी तसं मराठी हिंदूच आहेत सगळे ओरिजिनली काय
Painting is about the 1st Battalion Mysore Infantry. Painting is of Scottish band with bagpipers.
These are the palkis carried by elephant and bullocks.
This painting is of Kumpi elephant. Painting is taken near the Jayamartanda main gate from where the royals used to enter. This is elephant carriage used during the procession. Picture is taken at the Rath Yatra near Chamundi Hills.
Guys, these are invitations, mementos, and appeals issued by the royals while touring in the neighborhood districts.
In this painting you can see the sari borders, eyes of the statue turning to your sides as you move towards each other. All these paintings are like that only. Once you move from this side to that side, their eyes turn towards you. This is the specialty of all these pictures. These all are the family pictures you are seeing over here. These are the elephant ornaments used during the Mysore Dasara procession every year.
अच्छा ते बरोबर हां त्यांना हे करत असतील ते GPS असेल.
In this door, what you see in white is made up of pure ivory. Now this is the private Darbar hall. Every Navratri they do puja here. The king sits over there. Stained glass is from Scotland. In this hall, program takes place during Navratri and other festivals. You can see the balconies over here are for the royal families. They used to sit here and enjoy the program. The gate you are seeing in the front is the main gate from where the royal enters.
This is a silver door weighing 106 kg. The king used to enter from this door. Here is a Bal, Krishna, Brahma and Vishnu Maheshwara avatars on this door you can see. This is the dressing room. There are 2 crystals on each chair. Royal family, silver chair is for the royal family for sitting. This between this is the Dasara procession painting. The frame is made of original elephant tusks.
Statue of Raja King Budayar who constructed this palace.
The main gate, which is also called as Jaya Martanda Balram gate. This is the main gate, which is Jaya Martanda Marga. There are around 4 gates. Varaha and Amba Vilas gate at the south. For Varaha and Amba Vila gate at the south, you can see this is for the visitors. This is all the middle podium. You can see the palace in front. And this is the main gate. People are not allowed from this gate. They are allowed from the gate which I have shown you just now. Total there are 4 gates. One gate there. This is the second gate, third gate.